Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your paycheck budget with EveryDollar, complete guide step by step clearly. Open the EveryDollar app on your device. Log into your account. Navigate to your budget dashboard. Locate the current month's budget that you want to update. Click on the Edit button for the selected month. Find your income section at the top of the budget. Review your current income entries. Click on the income item you wish to update. Adjust the amount to reflect your new paycheck. If there are additional income sources, add them by selecting Add Income. Enter the name and amount for each new income source. Save your changes once all income updates are complete. Next, check your expenses section. Review each category to see if adjustments are needed based on your new income. If required, click on an expense category to edit it. Adjust amounts to align with your updated budget. Add any new expenses by selecting Add Expense. Enter the name and amount for any new expense items. Save these changes after updating your expenses. Return to the budget overview to assess your overall financial plan. Ensure that your total income matches your total expenses. If necessary, make further adjustments to balance your budget. Once satisfied, exit the editing mode to return to your main dashboard. Review your updated budget regularly to track your progress. Continue to adjust as needed for future paychecks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.